Pack 39.
Yeah,
Okay.
Pack 39.
You guys just got out here? 10 a.m.?
Yeah, we've been here since about 10.
Okay, how's it going? See you guys here?
Good. We're finding lots of trash.
I bet, yeah. Side of the road, people throw it out the window, I guess.
That's what it seems like.
Do you, how about, the consensus was yesterday a lot of liquor nips out there.
So I've only picked up about 10 of them so far, if you can believe it.
How long you been out here?
Since, what time is it now? We've
It's
only
about
been out
10:30.
here for about half an hour, yeah.
But 10 already.
Yeah, and that was just me.
Yeah.
So
one every 3 minutes?
that sounds about right, yeah. When you average it out, that sounds pretty bad.
Oh, yeah.
We have roughly 30 kids in the pack.
Okay. All right, I'll leave
Being
it.
attacked by a briar.
Sorry. Lots of scratch tickets. How you doing?
Pretty good.
What's listed the consensus was a lot of liquor nips, but it looks like scratch tickets too are a hot item. I don't know.
Scratch tickets, liquor nips, cigarette butts.
Stuff you throw out the window.
What else do we have, Wyatt?
I found the car part.
A what?
Car parts.
Car parts,
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
Actually has water in it.
There you go.
It's still got water in it.
They were out yesterday at Little Harbor doing it too.
Oh.
Girl Scouts.
Oh, cool. Oh, so your daughter's a Girl Scout and your son's a Cub Scout, so you got everybody. Okay, this is your whole squad? These are all your guys?
Yeah.
How's it going so far?
It's going good.
Hi. You're on for a ride?
Way to go.
You got a long way. Were you going to be out for about an hour, I guess?
2 hours.
Whatever works.
Yeah.
But yeah,
2 hours.
so you started at the beginning up here.
Yeah.
And what are you finding a lot of? You name
A
it?
lot of scratch tickets.
Yeah,
and,
I see.
Stuff from Cumberland Farms.
Well, yeah. And liquor nips, big item. That was saying yesterday.
Cigarette.
Cigarettes too. Yeah. All the yucky stuff.
Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome, man.